For the sixth time performing on the grand stage, Sapangdaku Youth Cultural Group aims to wow not just local spectators but also the rest of the world for this year's Sinulog sa Sugbo Philippines 2024. A team of 64 dancers and 150 props men eyes to convince tourists all around the world to visit and experience Cebu through their performance. Though challenged with numerous calamities in their barangay, the group vows to include in their performance their heartfelt thanksgiving to the Holy Child Señor Santo Niño. Sapangdaku's Barangay Captain, 𝗬𝗪𝗓 Ladrazo, wishes for their contingent to fully enjoy the dance and deliver a flawless performance this 2024.
Managugtanon jud ko nga moapil tungod pud sa ato ang kanang pangandoy pud ba nga kaluyan ta sa ato ang kuan ni sa ato ang balaang bata nga si Señor Santo Niño nga tagaag may panglawas ang tibok barangay Sapangdaku.
𝗦𝗶hi𝗴𝗂𝗂 Caayon, the newly elected Sangguniang Kabataan chairperson of Barangay Sapangdaku, is set to perform as the festival queen of the group. She added that the group will also be highlighting the beginnings of Christianity in Cebu.
So ang among concept karon no nga madalit sa atong katawhan mao ang kanang sinulog to Cebu, sinulog to the Philippines, and sinulog to the world. Kani ang konsepto sa mong sayaw maka-attract siya sa mga tourist para diri sa ato ang Cebu.
Aljon Santa Rita, 𝗬𝗪𝗪 and 𝗦𝗶hi𝗴𝗂𝗪, the contingent's choreographers and dance masters, aim to inspire the team, especially those dancers who are participating for the first time. In 2017, Sapangdaku was also recognized as 5th placer in the Sinulog sa Barangayan, and they have high hopes of achieving more success in this year's Sinulog Festival.
Nga hatagan tag may lawas ang tibok barangay Sapangdaku kitang tanan taga barangay Sapangdaku atong iyampo nga magmalapuson ni nga mao nga kalihukan sa ato ang sinulog sa kabataan dinis barangay Sapangdaku.
This has been Mary Francis Lynn Caayon for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.